down in front of the camera.
What's up, bad boys? Alright, got a bike check here for you today. My Academy Aspire. Got a few custom parts on it now. So let's go through all the parts this here. So it's got the Academy Pro grips and just the bar ends that come with it. These grips are really good ones if you wear them in or whatever. It's an alloy brake leather. Just all the brake stuff is just pretty shitty, so yeah, just Academy bars. They're 20, fucking hell, 20.8 rise, fucking hell. 8.25 rise, so they're pretty big. We'll get bigger ones eventually. I guess the Academy stem looks pretty nice, but doesn't have very much grip.
What the fuck?
Yeah, it doesn't have very much grip, and the handlebars keep slipping, so I'll eventually replace that. Just integrated headset.
Stop.
Yeah, Academy. It's pretty nice. Just the top bolt that comes with it. Stock Academy forks. Cinema 333 front wheel, which is like fucking the most expensive part I've bought for it so far. Well, the Academy Aspire frame. The Lux BMX sticker on it. Fucking awesome. Go check them out. Buy shit from there.
Tell me about the parts that you're getting.
Oh yeah, I will in a bit. Just want to finish this. So I'm not getting anything yet. But this is just a seat, just a seat and post combo. It looks really fucking nice. I'm probably not going to replace this for a fucking while. Then I've got Odyssey twisted PC pedals. In black, obviously. Yeah, these are really nice.
Shut up!
Can't be funny if he steps.
But yeah, the red, well, plug bits for the end. And then I've just got the stock Academy cranks that come with it. Within the next week, I'm going to be getting Academy Pro cranks because this bolt here is fucked, it won't tighten anymore, so it makes that noise, which is really fucked. And eventually everything's going to break. I'm just a bottom bracket there, and just the stock one that came with it. I'm replacing that with the Colony one at the same time I get the cranks. I've just got a standard KMC chain, wherever that is. Yeah, it's just the normal KMC chain. I've got the Federal 32 tooth light sprocket in red.
$75 reduced to 15. Check out Mark's BMX.
It says 13 there if it focuses, which you probably won't. I'll try and make it. Yeah, there you go, 32 tooth. Then it says Federal here. Yeah, well, just that Federal 32 tooth in red. I got that for 15 bucks, reduced from 75, was it? Yeah. And then moving back here, just, you know, brake levers, brake cable, you know, that stuff. And then just the standard rear wheel that comes with it. I'm going to eventually replace that with this Cinema 333 rear wheel, so it will match this front one here, so that's going to look pretty awesome. And yeah, probably not going to replace that for a while though, because I'm fucking poor as that shit. But yeah, I'll give you a sound check if you want. Liam or Rory, do you want to hold this? Alright.
The new one that he's getting is like twice as low.
Sound check's pretty awesome. Yeah, the new one I'm getting, it has better engagement as well, so it'll be pretty good. Yeah, that's my bike. Pretty sick, lad. Yeah, thanks for watching. Peace.